Okay guys, this is the MX keys combo from Logitech. So it's the MX3 keyboard and mouse. Okay, so let's open this up. There you go. You've got a keyboard and mouse, you've got 3 connections. You can use the dongle or 2 Bluetooth connections. So you can have it connected to 2 computers, which is cool. So if you have a Windows and a Mac, you can switch between them. There you go, Logic Bolt. So let's open these up. So this is the keyboard. Got definite, it's a solid feel. It's heavy. There you go, you got USB-C. Got that there. It's very heavy. It's a nice solid feel that. Yeah, I like this. Good, sturdy, hard to move around. Okay, and then we've got this Ergomat thing. You can connect to it. Right, rest there. There's the mouse. Let's open that up. Mouse. Okay, so this is the mouse. It's the scroll wheel, very smooth. Again, tells you how it works. So I think I'll be using it via Bluetooth. Again, nice feel there. It's got plenty of buttons there. You've got the different selectors, got the on and off switch. And then finally, I think, what else is there? This, I don't think there's anything else in there. No, let's just push it in. We've got this dongle here. Oh, and a charging cable. So that's instructions. So we've got this here. Dongle, you don't have to use it, and then we've got this charging cable, and I think you can charge the mouse at the front, which is amazing. So if it's charging, you can still use it, and there we go. I think this is going to be a great keyboard. It feels great, types well. That mouse is so much better than the one I'm currently using. So yeah. Hopefully this helps, and thank you.